Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a parody web page of any page on the internet and then edit it into whatever you want pretty much, and then you can make it into a file that you can share with other people. So for example, I have this Wikipedia page for Hillsboro, Oregon, and it's a real web page, and I was able to make this parody page called Forkton, South Carolina. This is not a real place, doesn't exist, but I edited the Hillsboro, Oregon page to make this that and it's a file that I can share with other people, as you can see right here. So, how do we do this? Well, there's two steps basically, editing it and then saving it as a file that we can send. So, the first thing is to try editing it, and you may know how to edit parts of it already if you use inspect element, which is right here when you right click on Chrome, or you can press Control Shift C, and this will let you edit different pieces of the website. You can use this arrow inside this dotted square icon, click on that, and then when you hover on different elements, it'll bring them up in the elements section on the right panel here, and you can actually edit the text. For example, this right here, or whatever you want. So it can be a little bit tedious, especially on Wikipedia, where these paragraph breaks actually are separated based on the links, which are their own tag, and so you'd have to like edit those separately. So what I use is a Chrome extension called Edit Website Extension. So just add that to Chrome, and now when you click on it, you can pin it. Then when you click on it, you can actually click inside the text and it'll put the little flashing bar there, and you can actually put whatever you want inside here. So that makes it a lot easier, especially with all these different pieces. It's a lot more intuitive, like a Word document. So, um, and the images as well, but you can delete stuff a lot by pressing backspace, but if you do want to change images, you are going to have to check out the HTML. So for example, I'll click on this image right here, and it'll bring it up right here with a link. So basically you just have to replace this link with the link of the image that you want to replace it with. So for example, let's say I have this picture of a spoon. I can go right click on it, open image in new tab. There it is. There's a link. Copy that. And then you can double click on the src set attribute here. Paste it, press enter, and there you go. You can, if that doesn't work, you can try just putting it in src. Also with edit website extension, it will let you copy and paste images directly onto the page. But if you do that, the formatting will be all different. And if you want it to actually like conform to the dimensions that are already in the image existing, then you can just do the method that I already showed. Another thing is links. It's pretty similar to images. You basically select the tag on the page, find the A tag, double click on the href attribute of it, and then you can input whatever link you want. Let's say we can just put the link to this Chrome extension, just for example. Double click, paste it, enter, and then now when we click on Oregon Electric Railway, it brings us to that link. So now, once you have your website changed, you want to save it. And so normally if you try to save an HTML page by hitting, well, I guess it's not here now that it's editable, like this, if you hit save as, it'll save it as an HTML page, but it'll be all screwed up. It'll look like this. This is basically because it saves the HTML on its own, and you want to save it with all of the other assets of the website, like the CSS, the JavaScript, the image files, things like that. So the way that we're going to be doing that is to be using this Chrome extension. It's called SingleFile. Pretty self-explanatory. Combines all of those assets into one file. So once we add extension, now we can right-click on the web page. This little pop-up is here. Save page with SingleFile. It'll load. Okay, and there you have it. Now we have a page that we can share to everyone we know. Woo!